Now let's be honest, taking photos today isn't just a casual hobby. It's how we freeze moment we don't ever want to forget. Birthdays, trips, random happy days, all safely stored on our devices until one wrong tap and poof, they are gone. And since we are human, not flawless storage machines, these mistakes happen more often than we would like to admit. Photos get deleted, videos vanish, raw images disappear during a cleanup that got a little too enthusiastic. And that's exactly why data recovery software has become such a big deal. It's basically damage control for our digital lives. And this is where Stellar Photo Recovery steps in. It is designed to recover deleted photos, videos, and even audio files without turning the whole process into a technical nightmare. It's also fairly affordable, and considering it can help bring back memories you thought were gone forever and do it without taking ages, it sounds like a pretty solid investment. But the real question here is, does it actually live up to the promise? So let's quickly find out. Now think of Stellar Photo Recovery as that friend who calmly says, "Don't panic, it's probably not gone forever," when your photos and videos suddenly disappear. Whether the files were accidentally deleted, corrupted, wiped during formatting, attacked by a virus, or stuck inside a drive that just refuses to open, this software is built to track them down. It even handles high-resolution stuff like 4K, 6K, 8K, and even 360-degree files. So it's not just the casual snapshot. Connect your memory card to your computer via USB cable and it can recover data from modern DSLRs, mirrorless cameras and video cameras using card like CFast, Compact Flash or Micro SD HC/XC cards. Now what really makes it stand out is how wide its support is. It can recover everyday images format like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, and PSD, along with professional camera raw files such as CR2, NEF, RAF, and ORF. And videos aren't left out either. Formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, MXF, and WMV are all supported, and it's not picky about where those files comes from, because its compatibility list is honestly pretty impressive. Now most people don't know that when you delete a file, it's not actually gone. Your device just marks that space as free and moves on, while the data quietly sits there in the background, at least until something overrides it. That small window is your chance to recover it. And Stellar Photo Recovery jumps in right there, scanning your storage and pulling back what's still hiding underneath. No complicated steps either, just connect your storage device to a Windows PC or Mac, click scan and recover. Simple, quick and surprisingly stress-free. Now once you install Stellar Photo Recovery, the good news is you don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. The interface is clean, simple and refreshingly free of confusing buttons. So even if software usually scares you a little, you will feel right at home. Nothing feels overcomplicated and everything is laid out in a very just follow these steps kind of way. Now when you open the tool, you're first asked what you want to recover. You can go all in and choose all data or keep things focused by selecting just photos, videos or audio files. After that you move to recover from, where all your available drives and storage devices shows up. Just pick the memory card, hard drive, camera, USB or whatever you are scanning and let the software do its thing. And once the scan finishes, the tool shows you everything it found. You can recover everything with a single click or use the advanced option to restore only selected files or even zip them neatly into a folder of your choice. Now in my testing, it handled deleted files easily and even recovered data from a formatted memory card. The only minor annoyance is that recovered file may come back with different names. But that's a small price to pay for getting your memories back. The scan and recovery process isn't lightning fast. But honestly, accuracy matters more than speed for me. Plus, how often do you really want to be recovering deleted files anyways? Scan time also depends on how much data you have and how powerful your computer is. Now, one standout feature I haven't seen anywhere else is the ability to add your own file formats. You can feed the software a few samples and it learns what to look for. Pretty smart and super useful if you work with uncommon formats. Now if you talk about the pricing, yes, you pay for premium features, but Stellar keeps it reasonable. The standard plan at $49.99 handle basic recovery for photos, videos and audio. The professional plan at $59.99 adds photo repair and is the best value if some images are corrupted. Finally, the premium plan at $69.99 goes all in, recovering files and repairing both photos and videos. pick based on how serious your data loss situation is. Now, after using Stellar Photo Recovery, I can confidently say it does what it promises without the stress. I tested it on deleted files and even on a formatted memory card, and it managed to recover most of my photos and videos with minimal effort. The interface is simple, the steps are easy to follow, and it never felt overwhelming even during deeper scans. Yes, a scan takes some time, but the results are worth the wait. Overall, it feels reliable, practical, and genuinely useful when things go wrong, so I would highly recommend you to try this tool.